Imagine having one appliance in your kitchen that can handle everything from blending smoothies and chopping vegetables to kneading dough and shredding cheese. This Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo SS401 promises to be just that. As a kitchen enthusiast who loves experimenting with recipes and creating delicious meals, I decided to try out this versatile machine. Here's my detailed review based on weeks of daily use. Straight out of the box, the Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo impresses with its sleek, modern design. The silver finish gives it a high-end look, and the build quality feels solid and durable. Included in the package are the motor base, a 72-ounce glass pitcher, an 18-ounce smoothie bowl maker, a 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup, various blades and discs, and to-go cups with lids. The thoughtful inclusion of dishwasher-safe parts is a big plus, making cleanup a breeze. One of the standout features of the SS401 is its enhanced food processing capabilities. The enhanced processing lid with a feed chute and select cut processing discs allows for precise shredding, slicing, and grating. I found the reversible slicing shredding disc particularly useful for making coleslaw and grating cheese. The grating disc effortlessly shredded carrots and other vegetables, making food prep quicker and more efficient. The Wunding 600 peak watt power-dense motor is a powerhouse. The Autoec technology ensures that the motor powers through tough ingredients without stalling. I tested this feature by blending frozen fruits and making nut butter. The motor handled everything I threw at it with ease, producing smooth and consistent results every time. Whether it's ice, frozen berries, or dense nuts, this blender doesn't back down. Smoothie bowls are a favorite breakfast choice in our household, and the XL Smoothie Bowl Maker did not disappoint. The built-in tamper is specially designed to power through frozen ingredients using less liquid, resulting in thick, creamy smoothie bowls. I also used it to make nut butter from scratch, and the results were impressively smooth. The tamper makes it easy to push down ingredients for a uniform blend, ensuring nothing gets left behind. The 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup is designed for better ingredient breakdown, making it perfect for smoothies and drinkables. I love making green smoothies packed with leafy greens, fruits, and a bit of protein powder. The extraction cup blended everything to a smooth, drinkable consistency, retaining all the vitamins and nutrients from the ingredients. It's a great option for those who want a quick, nutritious breakfast or snack on the go. One of the features I appreciate most is the variable speed control. It allows for precise control over the speed and texture of every blend. This feature is especially handy when making protein shakes or smoothies. I can start slow to break down larger pieces and then increase the speed to achieve a perfectly smooth blend. The control knob is easy to use and provides excellent control over the blending process. The Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo comes with 7 preset Autoec programs: smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, food processing, and dough. These one-touch programs simplify the blending and processing tasks. I found the smoothie and extraction programs particularly useful for my daily smoothie routine. The dough program is a game-changer for baking enthusiasts, making it easy to knead dough for bread or pizza with minimal effort. The hybrid edge blade assembly delivers a superior breakdown of frozen whole fruits, veggies, nuts, seeds, and ice. This results in smoother blends and better consistency. I tested the blades by making a variety of smoothies and spreads, and the results were consistently impressive. The blades are sharp and robust, handling even the toughest ingredients with ease. Cleaning up after using a blender or food processor can be a hassle, but not with the SS401. All the containers, lids, discs, and blade assemblies are dishwasher safe. This feature saves a significant amount of time and effort, making the whole process much more convenient. After a long cooking session, simply pop the parts into the dishwasher, and you're done. The Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo SS401 is designed to be practical and versatile. The 72-ounce glass pitcher is perfect for making large batches of smoothies, soups, or sauces. The to-go cups with lids are convenient for busy mornings when you need to take your smoothie on the road. The chopping blade assembly and dough blade expand the range of recipes you can tackle, from finely chopped salsa to perfectly kneaded dough. In conclusion, the Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo SS401 is an impressive kitchen appliance that delivers on its promises. With its powerful motor, enhanced processing capabilities, and versatile attachments, it makes food prep quick and easy. Whether you're blending smoothies, chopping vegetables, or kneading dough, this machine can handle it all. The thoughtful design, dishwasher-safe parts, and preset programs add to its convenience and ease of use. For anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a reliable and versatile blender and food processor combo, the Ninja SS401 is an excellent choice. It's a game-changer for home cooks and a valuable addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.